Welcome to the top best. Number 5. Gemice travel bottles for toiletries. Tired of messy spills in your luggage? Our innovative 3-layer leak-proof design ensures your toiletries stay contained. The unique opal shape also means you can use every last drop without waste. Traveling just got easier. These compact bottles are TSA approved and perfectly sized for your carry-on. They are ideal for all your essential liquids like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Your safety is our priority. These bottles are crafted from BPA-free, food-grade silicone. This makes them safe for all your personal care items and even food items like sauces or dressings. Say goodbye to the hassle of refilling and cleaning. The wide opening makes it simple to pour in thicker liquids and allows for easy cleaning with a brush. Control your dispensing with our no-drip valve. This feature prevents leaks from the cap and ensures you get just the right amount of product every time. What we like? This bottle features an opal shape and a no-drip valve, ensuring no product is wasted. If you're looking for a way to get every last drop of your expensive lotions or serums, this is the one for you. Its BPA-free silicone construction also makes it safe for various liquids. What people say? The containers are leak-proof and durable, perfect for travel. Easy to fill and dispense liquids, the design is very user-friendly. The compact size makes them ideal for carrying in a purse or carry-on bag. Number 4. DEPOZA TSA Approved Travel Bottles Kit. Introducing the DEPOZA Travel Bottles Kit, your ultimate solution for packing toiletries. This TSA approved set is designed for convenience and peace of mind on any journey. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: bottles, jars, sprayers, and essential accessories, all neatly organized in a transparent makeup bag. Customize your travel essentials with ease. Never worry about spills again. Our leak-proof design protects your luggage and clothes, ensuring a mess-free travel experience. The innovative ball-shaped design helps you use every last drop. Thanks to the wide mouth design, filling and cleaning these containers is a breeze. Easily pour thicker liquids and clean the inside thoroughly with the included brush. The no-drip valve on the cap ensures precise dispensing, preventing both leaks and waste. You get just the right amount of product every time. All accessories are packed in a compact, handy bag, saving you space and making them easy to carry. Perfect for travel, vacations, plane trips, and camping adventures. What we like? This comprehensive set offers a wide variety of containers, including jars and spray bottles, all neatly organized in a zippered bag. If you need to pack a range of different beauty products and cosmetics for a long trip, this kit has you covered. It's perfect for those who like to have options and keep everything organized. What people say? The containers are made of soft silicone, making them easy to squeeze. They come with leak-proof caps, preventing any spills. The wide opening allows for easy filling and cleaning. Number 3. Kitsch 11 PCS Travel Containers. Tired of bulky toiletries? We've got the perfect solution for your next adventure. Keep your essentials organized and leak-free on the go. Navigating airport security just got easier. These containers are TSA approved, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free travel experience. Say goodbye to messy spills in your luggage. Our refillable bottles are designed to be completely leak-proof, protecting your belongings. Reduce waste and save money with these versatile containers. Simply refill them with your favorite shampoo, conditioner, or lotions. Available in chic black and ivory, these travel essentials don't just work well, they look great too. Travel in style with this essential kit. This 11-piece set has everything you need for toiletries. From shampoo to lotions, all your travel size necessities are covered. What we like? This kit provides a stylish and practical solution for your travel toiletries. If you appreciate a minimalist aesthetic and need reliable, leak-proof containers for your shampoo, conditioner, and more, this set is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who want their travel essentials to look as good as they function. What people say? The containers are made of soft silicone, making them easy to squeeze out the contents. They are leak-proof, which is great for travel and prevents messes in your bag. The wide opening makes them easy to fill and clean. Number 2. SEQUHITKU 17-pack TSA-approved travel pouches. Introducing the SEQUHITKU 17-pack travel pouches, your perfect companion for organized travel. These TSA-approved containers make packing toiletries a breeze. Never worry about airport security again. Our travel-sized pouches are designed to meet TSA requirements, ensuring smooth passage through checkpoints. These innovative pouches stand up on their own, making them easy to use and refill. Perfect for shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and soap. Take your favorite liquids anywhere without hassle. Their portable design and refillable nature make them an eco-friendly and practical choice for any trip. This comprehensive 17-piece set provides all the containers you need for your toiletries. Keep your essentials organized and accessible on the go. Choose SEQUHITKU for reliable and high-quality travel accessories. These pouches are built to last and designed for your convenience. What we like? These stand-up pouches offer a unique and convenient way to store your liquids, preventing spills and making them easy to use. If you're tired of traditional bottles tipping over or taking up too much space, these are a fantastic alternative. They are perfect for travelers who prioritize stability and space-saving design. What people say. The containers are leak-proof and don't spill. They are perfect for carrying small amounts of liquids like shampoo, conditioner, and lotion. The size is ideal for travel and fits easily in a toiletry bag. Number 1. 18 PCS TSA-approved travel bottle set. Tired of bulky toiletries? Our travel bottle set is the perfect solution for your next adventure. Pack all your essentials without the hassle. Never worry about airport security again. These containers are TSA-approved, ensuring a smooth and stress-free travel experience. Made with durable, squeezable silicone, these bottles prevent leaks and make dispensing your favorite products a breeze. No more messy spills. From shampoo and conditioner to lotions and body wash, these versatile bottles hold it all. Keep your personal care items organized and accessible. This set comes with a convenient multicolor and yellow bag, perfect for keeping your bottles organized and protected during your travels. Enjoy your trip with peace of mind. These compact and reliable bottles are designed to make your travel experience more comfortable and enjoyable. What we like? These squeezable silicone bottles are not only TSA approved but also come with a fun bandage design and vibrant multicolor options. If you're traveling with family or simply want to add a touch of fun to your travel gear, these are a great pick. They are ideal for anyone looking for durable, easy-to-dispense containers with a playful aesthetic. What people say. The containers are leak-proof, preventing any spills during travel. They are made of durable silicone, which is easy to clean and refill. The compact size makes them perfect for carrying in a toiletry bag or carry-on luggage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.